Mm, 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 The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, north central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey until 7:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located on Gloucester City and New City, Mount Holly. Wind gusts quarter size hail. Source: Emergency Management. 6:45 p.m. Emergency Management reported wind damage in Camden County. Damage to vehicles to the car. Tree damage, wind damage as well. Mobile homes for roof and buildings. Locations in Packet include Camden, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Deptford, Voorhees, West Deptford, Lanmore, Woodbury, Berlin, Westerville, Woodbury, District, National Park, Baldry Park, Derby, Golden Triangle. This concludes the City of New Jersey Turnpike near Exit 3 in New Jersey miles, and in 3 Interstate 95 in New Jersey. Between and Hasina in New Jersey, Marcos in 21 and 35 the Atlantic City and Westway Myers, Marcos and 41 and 41. Thunderstorm damage to all street radar indicated. Hot and the wind sheet radar indicated and the wind dust. This dangerous surgery, the storm is positioned and the wind damage in western Camden County seeking to shelter them. It does study away from windows. And in addition to large hail and damaging winds, cloud and lightning and are going to with the storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you're closer you're not to be struck by lightning. If wait for according with the storm, and you may leave a flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle forward through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:50 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Camden and Gloucester County. Flash flood warning remains affected to several north central bulletin and northern Camden County at 6:24 p.m. Central. Let's just try again. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for west central Burlington County and southern New Jersey, northeastern Camden counties and southern New Jersey at just 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Central Daylight Time. Flash flood warning remains in effect until even counties for west central Burlington, north and Camden counties at 6:21 p.m. Location at Packet reporting thunderstorms, pollution, wind, and using rain rescues in due war for deep waters between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain, having fallen for additional rainfalls and mountain possible, and wishing flash flooding is already occurring. A flash flooding caused by thunderstorms in some report. In fact, Flash flooding on creeks and streams and underpasses. Some locations it may flooding include Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Effingham, Mount Laurel, Volese, Pobsdale, Westville, and Brookwood. This includes the following country: New Jersey Turnpike near Exit 4, Interstate in New Jersey between Myers, Marcos, and Fleet, Interstate 95 in New Jersey, and Water Park and 41 New Jersey between Myers, Marcos, and Port 1. Flash flood city. Flash flood is a tribute. Turn around, don't drown. When you flooded roadways, mostly core vehicles, especially in the drive or drive the flooded areas. Repeat, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Camden County.